Hi everyone, this is cake, ice cream, chocolate sauce, and caramel. Got it from Buffalo Wild Wings hours ago. Gotta add the chocolate in the bowl, or the ice cream in the bowl. Because yeah, I could have used that cardboard thing, but it wouldn't have worked out well because ice cream melting doesn't work out well. I know this is stuff I probably shouldn't have, but it looked good on the menu, so decided to get it. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.